a two-step. $5 for 4.9 at Penn Station. And guess what? It's gonna stay right there. Ain't nobody doing that. I don't know. And that shit going to SIUE. You go to SIUE, it ain't no regular drop-off. You gotta park, you gotta walk in, you gotta go through the double doors. $12.50 for 8.8. This shit going damn near to another state. Hell no. $34 for 27 miles. You taking this order? What if I just took those? Look, it's 3 drop-offs. This is crazy. Bruh, this shit literally going past Alton. This shit going to Godfrey, Illinois. What in the hell am I doing driving anything to Godfrey? I'm gonna need God after doing that order. I'm gonna need him to free me from the clutches of Uber. Yeah, they tripping. It's a lot of orders out here. Okay, now we got 13. It's Buffalo Wild Wings. Okay, I'll do that. We're gonna add that $35 onto this order right here. So that'll make it what? 48 for 4 miles. We'll take that. That's a stack. It's paying more than. Okay, well, it's paying more than $12 and it's going less than 4 miles. And this is what DoorDash had for us. $10 for 6.6, but it basically is a 13-mile round trip. No, sir. We're gonna rock out with this Uber order. So since we picking up 2 orders already, we're gonna pause that. And first pickup is Buffalo Wild Wings. Second pickup is Chaparro.
Nice to meet you too, Brooke. Good night.
Have a good night, Brooke. We'll add a kickflip. Oh, add kickflip 5 as well. I thought I did. Did I not add the? Oh, kickflip 5 too. Yeah, so you're right. That's $40 I need to add to this order. So this order is actually $54 for 4 miles. Yeah, that sounds like a good amount to me. This order got good miles to money ratio, even though it's a double. It's a stacked order. The mileage is low, and the payout is still 3-to-1, and you don't got to go to Taco Bell or what's the other place? Wingstop. Okay. If it would have been the same dollar amount, same mileage, but I had to go to Taco Bell or Wingstop, it would have been a probably a no. It probably would have definitely been a no.
Well, because probably wouldn't have been ready.
Yeah, it probably wouldn't have been ready, and not only would it not been ready, it probably would have been 5 of the Platinum Dashers in there sitting waiting for their order. And if they ass been sitting, I'm finna be sitting too. And I can't. I'm allergic to Platinum Dashers when I'm that close to them, so I got to make sure I don't pull up over there.
What's up, J Media?
J Media in the building? What's up, bro? Now listen, it's been 2 years. Your ass ain't got no profile picture up there yet. I'm gonna need you to work on that, bro. It's 2025, bro. And my expectations is a little bit higher, bro, because I believe in you. So I need you to go ahead and put a little effort into putting something other than a big ass J is your profile picture, J Media. Because I got respect for you, bro. This is why I want more for you. If I didn't care, I wouldn't even say nothing. Kerr, you ain't got nothing to say about that. This the new car wash right here.
Oh, that's the one you just went to recently.
Yeah. And they said you could take as many towels as you want. So I grabbed two. I grabbed 2 big ass handfuls. Mr. Polo in the building. Bama boy on 30s. What's up? Then fill 80 drinks. Yeah, we ain't fucking around. What's up? What's up? What's up? Love in the building, baby. They fucking with you. You need something to drink? Need me to stop somewhere?
Oh, we can get something later. It's okay.
You sure? All right. You know, I can talk for a long time and have cotton mouth. I don't know if you did that.
When the college students take their ass back to school, the order will be...
What the fuck are you doing? Is this lady hot?
Sleep.
Is she sleep? Is this lady sleep? What in the hell is happening right now? What is happening?
What?
What in the hell?
What?
What in the hell? So this lady just gonna start. I told you every time I go live, every time these white women just be driving crazy.
Wow.
This is why you in the passenger seat, baby. This is why.
Wow.
And y'all seen it. Y'all seen it. Like, what is going on?
Did you see that?